Hello everyone, welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have a beautiful La Pavoni Europiccola espresso machine. This is one of the older models. As you can see, it's very beautiful, looking extremely great. For this machine, we just did a tune-up, and that's pretty much it. We will replace the gaskets from the group head, the gaskets from the group head base, the side glass itself, it was broken as well. The gaskets for the side glass, gaskets of the steam valve, and we gave it a good cleaning all around it. So yeah, that's all we did with the espresso machine. So starting with one shot of espresso, we're gonna test it out. Hopefully I pick up the right current settings for this machine, otherwise you're gonna see drip coffee or coffee barely dripping. Oh, here we go. Doing this with just one arm, so bear with me a bit. It's a little bit hard to pull a shot with just one arm and holding a big tablet to record. As you can see, no leaks coming out of the machine. Good water flow coming out as well. Great shot coming out of this machine. Yep. Steam working perfectly fine as well. Pretty hot. Unfortunately, it's a little bit hotter right here, so we won't be able to see it that much. But as you can see, you pull out a shot just fine, perfectly fine, no leaks or anything like that. And right now the machine is at full pressure as well, so there's no any leaks or anything. So thank you so much for repairing Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content every day, and thanks for watching.